What happens when someone breaks a contract? In this video, we are covering breach of contract and remedies. Basically, what does the law do to fix a situation when agreements go wrong? Let's get into it. So, when a contract is breached, the most common remedy is money, also known as damages. There are four main types. We have compensatory damages. These are the most common. They cover the loss of the bargain, basically putting the non-breaching party in that position that they should have been before the contract was breached and should have been completed. Okay, now consequential damages. So these are indirect losses, like lost profits. But there's a catch. They must have been foreseeable when the contract was made. Okay, let's go into punitive damages now. These are meant to punish the breaching party. But in contract law, they're rarely awarded. And then lastly, we have nominal damages. These exist in name only. So these are very small amounts, like $1. They're given when a breach happened, but no real loss can be proven. Okay, now let's get into equitable remedies. Because sometimes money isn't enough. That's when courts use equitable remedies. So, we have rescission and restitution. Rescission basically cancels the contract, and restitution puts both parties back where they started. It's like the contract never happened. Then we have specific performance. The court orders the breaching party to do exactly what they promised. This is used when the subject is unique, like real estate. Then we have reformation. The court fixes or rewrites the contract. This usually happens when there's fraud or a mutual mistake. Okay, now let's talk about waiver. A waiver is when a party chooses to give up their right to complain about a breach. So, key points. Once you waive a breach, you cannot go back and sue for it later. The contract continues as if the breach never happened. What about future breaches? Well, a waiver does not automatically apply to future breaches. But if you keep accepting bad performance repeatedly, a court might assume you're okay with it. So, to summarize, damages equal money compensation, equitable remedies equal fairness when money isn't enough, and a waiver equals giving up your right to enforce a breach. Understanding these helps you know exactly what happens when contracts fall apart. If this helped, stay tuned for the final exam cram video. I'll see you later. Bye.